Do you know how to schedule a meeting in Zoom? Stay tuned and stick around. Hello, good day everyone. Raj here and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share to you a video tutorial on how to schedule a meeting in Zoom. So let's start. First and foremost, make sure that you have downloaded the Zoom app to your computer or to your mobile phone. And then log in with your username and password. Once you are logged in, this will show in your screen. Now, on the top right of your screen, you can see here My Account. Click on My Account tab, and it will lead you to this screen. On the top middle of your screen, look for Schedule a Meeting. Click on that tab, and it will lead you to Schedule Meeting Details. Now, you can type in the topic of your meeting and the description. You can also set the date, when are you going to hold the meeting, and then the duration. But when you are on Zoom Basic Plan, which is free, you will just only have 40-minute time limit. But if you have upgraded it, then you will enjoy the unlimited group meetings. Now you can set also the time zone. And if your meeting is recurring or daily meeting, you can click on recurring. And you can also set the meeting ID. Meeting ID has two options to generate automatically. You can just copy that and send the link to your participants, or you can have the personal meeting ID and copy this and send this to your participants. However, you can also set the security code or passcode. This is also auto-generated. You can just copy this and share it to your participants. And then you can also set up the waiting room. Once you enable the waiting room, this will hold your participants to a waiting room, and they can only join once you admitted them or approve their entry. Now, you can also set up as a host if you wanted to have your video on or off, and also your participants. Other meeting options will be if you wanted to allow your participants to join anytime without the holding room or the waiting room. You can also mute the participants upon entry, and so on. And once you have completed all the information, you can just click on Save. And your meeting is now scheduled. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have learned something today. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share my videos to your friends. Till next time, bye!